All right, this is a 1986 Ford E150 Clubwagon that we just picked up. We're gonna kind of turn it into, a little RV. Exterior-wise, it's in really good shape. Engine-wise, it needs some work. When I bought this, I noticed right away there was a massive oil leak in the front. Like, you can just see the oil all over everything. And this has a 5.0 in it, and I've worked on these before, and I've never seen this type of oil leak before. I actually thought maybe it was coming from the intake. But then I noticed this is where you're adding oil, clearly right there. Like, this is loose, I've already loosened it, but this travels back and then dumps in to the valve cover. And as you can see right there, it's not even lined up with the valve cover. So let's go around on the inside and see what that looks like. All right, so here we are, we're on the inside. I already started kind of taking things off because I thought I was gonna have to maybe replace the intake gasket or at least the valve cover gaskets. But I'm not sure that I have to do either of that. I think the problem is there. Like, clearly, like if you were dumping oil on this, and this was not on there or even lined up, it's gonna be leaking out all over, and you can see that it has been leaking out all over. And clearly someone has already been in here because they've tried to put like RTV or something on this. So I'm not even really sure how this piece attaches to the valve cover. So I'm gonna have to do some research, but yeah. If you have an E150 van with a 5.0 and you have a massive oil leak, make sure that that's lined up with the valve cover. I'm just working on a van from 1986. And that plug wire right there says 1986. Way to stay on top of that maintenance. And if this type of van interests you, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we're going to be doing a lot more to this van in the future. Thanks for watching.